Hey, so this is the next part of the CAD. So in this video we're going to cover two parts. We're going to cover two mitres. There's nothing really here that we haven't done before. There's a short side and there's a long side. Again, we've drawn a few lines, doing a wee bit of extruding. The tricky part of this is setting this angle to 45 degrees. But if you follow the videos, you will be fine. So again, here is our working drawing, has all our dimensions on it. You can see the long mitre at the top, short mitre at the bottom. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the long mitre. So you're going to open a new part just like always. New sketch. You're going to enter sketch mode again. And you're going to go to this top plane. Sorry. Sketch. And top plane. Then all you're going to do is you're going to draw a line straight across, and then you're going to smart dimension this line to be 400. Then directly below this line you're going to draw another parallel line, longer, has to be longer than the line above it. Then you're going to set the distance between these two lines to be 10 millimeters. Then if you scroll in to these corners, we can then start to draw our next line. So you're going to go from the corner of the shorter line out and overlap the longer line. So there has to be a wee bit of an overlap here. Then you're going to use your smart dimension, and you're going to smart dimension this new line we've drawn. Then you're going to click the longer line, the bottom line, and you're going to come out here somewhere, doesn't really matter where, and you're going to put 45 degrees in there, and that's going to make that line 45 degrees. So we need to do the same from the opposite side. So just overlapping. Then you need to click between the short line, the long line, out here somewhere, and you're going to type in 45. Then all you need to do is get your trim tool, trim the closest, and get rid of the extra bits of the line we don't need. So that's our basic shape. You're going to go to your features, your extrude boss base, and you're going to extrude that by 50. And then you're going to file, save. You're going to make sure you put it in the correct folder. And you're going to call this part long mitre, M-I-T-R-E, and save. Then we're going to do this basically all over again. The only thing we're going to change is our dimension. So you're going to go part. Then you're going to go sketch, sketch again, top plane again, and we're going to start to draw in our line. Now this time instead of 400 you're going to choose 300. And then you just repeat the whole process, same as you've done before. Draw a line longer, make the distance between these two lines 10. Maybe you want to zoom in. I'll draw a line from here to here. Set between here and here to be 45. And you're going to do the same from the other side. Between here and here, 45. Then we're going to get our trim entities, trim the closest. What I'm going to do is get rid of all the wee bits we don't need. There we go. Features, extrude boss base, and we're going to extrude that again by 50. Then file, save, and you're going to make sure it's the right folder again. This is, and we're going to call this one long mitre. Sorry, short mitre. We've just done the long mitre.